Oh, sorry. Man, action is going on. Grabbing my tacos and niggas getting their ass beat. World Star. World Star. World Star. World Star. World Star Hip Hop. Uh-oh. This is how it go down in the Bronx. Oh shit. That's how it go down in the Bronx. Uh-oh. Whoa. Oh shit. They fucking him up. Oh shit. Ass in the air and everything. That's how I go down in the Bronx. Oh, we're not even in the Bronx. We're in the Heights still. Correction, we're in the Heights. And they're not even Dominican. Uh-oh. 5-0. 5-0. Everybody run. I'm just trying to eat my taco. And this shit is going on. Just trying to eat my taco.
Yo, he know me, yo, you know me, right?
Officer, I saw everything. The girls, they start waving their belt and they hit him.
He seen it, look.
I was
Turn around and relax.
I was across the street right here. These girls just attacked him with a belt. They were swinging a belt.
Officer, look my face. All officers know me in 34. Who's in the car right here?
Huh? There's one with that's wearing a dress.
See, look, yeah,
The red.
I'm not even
Let's put him in the back of the car because they're like.
Oh, so you know we
You're gonna have to give us a minute to sort this shit out, bro. All right?
They jumped me, look at my face. They with a bottle, everything. He's seen it, he's civilian.
I see it. Okay? You're gonna have to get him in, all right, bro?
All right? Some shit. Oh well. That's how I go down.
That's how he cut his head. He ran into the pole right here.
Let me just.
She didn't do
He was trying
anything.
to slice my face. He was trying to slice my face. That's why I ran. He ran right into that.
He's handcuffed also, okay?
Yeah, but she didn't do nothing. She was trying to
Okay,
break it
but
up.
I didn't want her to leave without
Okay.
finding out what the deal is.
Okay.
She's in handcuffs and he's in handcuffs.
Okay,
Now
but
we're
she didn't
finding
do
out what's going on.
All right,
Okay.
she didn't do nothing. They was all out here. It's mad witnesses. Nobody ain't do nothing.
Okay, now this name.
Look, he right here.
I said we was coming up the block and we see them two, and she tried to help. The officer again.
Cause he tried to slice.
That's my baby sister, right? Now I'm relaxed. I'm not rough up. He decked her twice. No. He got crazy. He decked her twice.
Twice, right?
He decked him twice. I don't got no shoes. I live in my twice. He decked her twice and her both of them.
And I still was only 16.
Excuse me?
Were you here first?
Not the whole thing, not at the start. Just when all the belt swinging was going on.
He came running.
But did we start swinging belts for no reason?
Excuse me?
Who was swinging the belt?
Oh, actually everybody was. After everybody was swinging the belt, this guy pulled off his belt and started swinging his belt.
He got crazy. He pulled the, another squad car was here like
The girls
5
had out
minutes
the belt
ago.
first.
Another squad car was here like 5 minutes ago, right? So they diffused the situation. We walked up the block, we went in a bar, had some drinks, and he waited on us outside. And that's how it escalated.
Gotta hold it down for my niggas, yo. Word. Gotta hold it down for my niggas. I mean, yo, I love women, but they start disrespecting, try to put themselves on the same level as we is. Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. World star hip hop. What's up? And I'm out. That's how it go down. Everybody's gonna get locked up, spend a night in jail. They're gonna take them to bookings. Yeah.